This is a major Hurricane Helene update. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Whenever you're watching this, hopefully you are having an amazing day. Currently, we have a tropical disturbance. This is currently called Potential Tropical Cyclone 9. This is expected to become Major Hurricane Helene. It is currently projected to become a Category 3. And I think it may go Category 4 in its life. As we see, we have a lot of convection showing up here on infrared imagery. This is simulated. This is not currently infrared imagery. We will go into that here in a few minutes. We want to go ahead and get the graphics like this out of the way. We see a well-defined eye here. This is going to be most likely by 1 p.m. on the 25th. So 2 days from now, this is what we could be seeing. It will continue to strengthen. We have a lot of convection here in that pink by 7 p.m. And we see that eye wall kind of shrinking. We will talk about the specifics as to what could affect this hurricane and what won't in the near future here. As it moves into Alabama and then weakens. It could still be a hurricane in Georgia. There's a possibility while it's in Georgia, it could still have hurricane strength winds. So, what would simulated reflectivity be, though? Let's go ahead and show that here right now. We see a lot of moisture here in the areas within here. As it makes landfall near the Big Bend, anywhere from Tampa to the Alabama-Florida line, you guys need to be watching this very closely for the landfall of a Cat 3, Cat 4 hurricane. But what could stop this from being anything major? Well, if we go over to our global mesoscale, we're going to see something. I just got to find the right thing here. Please excuse me. Right here, this is going to be near where the hurricane makes landfall, the hurricane spot right here. This is a trough right here. One of two things happen. One, it will ride along this part of it, or it will become attracted, weaken, and kind of go along here with it. It is going to strengthen because right here, we're going to have a dry, wind shear free zone. And as we take a look here, back at the HAFS-B model at 12Z, it shows a very strong Category 3, Category 4 landfall here on the Big Bend of Florida, where we've seen Debbie almost landfall, I think. But let's go ahead and get your graphics here through with the interactive map. This is going to be a major hurricane at 2 o'clock right here. That's going to be at 2 o'clock with 115 mile per hour winds. By 5 o'clock, it should landfall somewhere within here. I'm starting to think right within here. Between the Tide Swamp and the Bald Point State Park. That's where I think landfall myself is going to be. And it's going to be a strong Category 3 most likely to a Category 4 here. But let's change sectors here to see what the current radar is. So by Wednesday about 7 p.m., by 1 p.m., 12 to 1, you're going to start seeing outer bands here in Florida. These can produce tornadoes. Outer bands usually produce tornadoes. And this will progress. More outer bands coming through. all through Wednesday from after 1 p.m., 12 p.m. And most likely most of Thursday, with this unlikely to happen right there. Unlikely happen. But we are going to see a potential for tornadoes. And where I think all along within here could have potential for tornadoes. And this could even be further west, further east. Right now, we are 4 days out from this. We will know specific tornado threats probably Wednesday. Stay weather aware, everyone. This is a short update because I don't want to take your time. I want to keep you guys up to date, and this is the latest video. We will have a video early tomorrow morning going over all of the tropics itself and what to expect from the whole tropical world, as well as United States weather and potential for severe weather. I am Kelly Rose. Stay weather aware, and if you are living anywhere in Florida, be ready for severe weather potential from Hurricane Helene. It's hard to say. Until next time, peace out.